Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Intercept Method. In the previous video we saw how to draw a straight line on the number plane by constructing a table of values that would satisfy the given equation. In this video we will show how to find the x and y intercepts in order to help us draw the line. So let's see what we're required to do. Draw a line for each of the following equations using the intercept method. With example 1 we have the equation x plus y equals 1. Now if we let x equals 0, that gives us where the line cuts the y-axis. Then if we let y equals 0, that tells us where the line cuts the x-axis. And that's why it's called the intercept method. So when x equals 0, y must equal 1. And when y equals 0, x must equal 1. So we have the points 0, 1 and 1, 0. So there's 0, 1, there is 1, 0. We join the 2 points and that gives us the line. And we can see where the line intersects both the x-axis and the y-axis. Let's have a look at the next example. A slightly more involved equation, but we use exactly the same method. We let x equals 0 and then we let y equals 0. When x equals 0 we have 3y equals 6, therefore y has to be 2. When y equals 0 we have 2x equals 6, so x has to be 3. So the points are 0, 2 and 3, 0. There is 0, 2 and there is 3, 0. So that's where we have the intersection for the y-axis and the x-axis. Join the 2 dots and that gives us the line. Third example, exactly the same method. We have x minus 2y equals 4. When we let x equals 0, that gives us minus 2y equals 4, so y has to be minus 2. Because minus 2 by minus 2 gives us 4. When y equals 0, we can see straight away that x is 4. That's quite straightforward. So, the 2 points are 0, minus 2 and 4, 0. There is 0, minus 2. There's 4, 0. That is where the line intersects each axis. We join those 2 points together and now we've graphed the line on the number plane. So this video has introduced us to the very basic idea of drawing lines on the number plane where we actually work out the x-intercept and the y-intercept. And all we do is we let x equals 0, then we let y equals 0. We find the points that we need, join them up, and that gives us the actual line on the number plane.